Hi, and thank you so much for coming back and joining us. As promised, Sammy, my son Sammy,
Hello.
and I, we are going to be showing you how to make lasagna. Quick, easy, and delicious lasagna. So, you ready? The ingredients you're going to need are
sauce. You're gonna need sauce, stewed tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, tomato puree.
Yep. I like to use a little bit of each, and also if I have ripe tomatoes around the house, I like to put some ripe red tomatoes in. It just makes it taste fresh and yummy.
We also got lasagna noodles. Need the noodles. The ricotta cheese.
Put it over there.
The meat. The meat goes in it. Ground beef. Then we got some shredded mozzarella.
Well, we're gonna shred it. It's
Shredded.
not shredded.
It's not shredded yet. It's black. It's hard.
It's best if you shred your own mozzarella and you buy the good mozzarella. I mean, if you can buy the good mozzarella, it just tastes so much better.
And we also got some Parmesan, shaved Parmesan to fill it a little bit.
Yeah, and also I like to buy the Galbani ricotta
Everybody don't
and the
use shaved,
Galbani
but
cheese.
some people like
Yeah,
the shaved.
shaved is better. Okay, so then you're gonna need 2 eggs, an onion, and some parsley, paprika, garlic powder, nutmeg, and 2 cloves of garlic. And that's what you're gonna be needing to make this easy lasagna. Oh, and we have a loaf of French bread.
French bread.
We are going to make our garlic bread
bread.
out of that homemade. We like to make the homemade.
Mm-hmm.
You just take butter and you mix it with some garlic powder and some parsley and sprinkle the top with paprika, and it's so good.
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to want to do is take hamburger. Now this is a big pack here. This is like 4.5 pounds. We're just going to take half of it and stick it in a pan and fry it up. So while I'm doing that, Sammy can start grating the cheese. Here, you can grate it on here and then put it in this one. Yeah, so you can do that while I start this, okay? So we're going to put the hamburger in the pan, and I'm also going to cut up an onion and put the onion in there as well. So we're going to get that going, and then we'll be back to show you what to do next. lasagna is ready to take out the oven.
Ready to come out the oven.
Oh, it is golden brown and lovely. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
One.
Look how beautiful.
The all-star.
So nice. So there you have it. Quick, easy, and delicious lasagna. Now you can make it for your next family get-together. Now when this cools down, we'll come back and we will have a taste.
Do you want to just split a piece of garlic bread?
Yeah, we'll split it. You can put it there, Mommy. I'll cut it. Ooh, ooh, that's nice and crunchy, right?
Real crunchy.
Perfect. There you go, Sammy. You want the hard one? All right, so I don't know if you can see.
Fabuloso.
Yeah, looks good, smells good, and I hope it tastes good. I'm sure.
We're gonna tell you if it tastes good.
Yeah. And it's not hot, so it's warm.
Ah, it's delicious.
Mmm. 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 We have a taste tester coming.
Oh,
Park, who goeth there? Ooh, perfect, just in time.
that's taste test.
Taste tester.
Taste test.
We have a live taste tester. Hold down.
I'm not that hungry.
Just a little taste.
Just a little piece. It's very cheesy.
It is really good. Mommy will just give you a little piece, T. You gotta taste it and let them know how it is and be honest.
The meat sauce complements. I like how the sauce came out.
Well, get you a fork. I mean, I already know how it's gonna be.
Well, you have to tell everybody how it is. There. Should be right there. Now, this is the garlic bread that we made. Want his garlic bread?
No, I'm not hungry.
Or here's your lasagna.
The noodles came out fine.
Mm-hmm.
It complements. It's a good Italian dish. Put it that way. I think it was that Bowie and this Italian seasoning cube you put in the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I think that really livened it up.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let me tell you.
Tiff will tell us. She's honest. She's brutally honest. But it's okay. They have to be honest.
Mm-hmm. Good enough to smack your mama.
Start smacking.
Better smack your mama.
Oh,
Start smacking. So anyway, what do you think?
I think it's great. You just need a little salt, but don't need it.
True. Sammy?
I think it's delicious.
Delicious. And I say it's off the wall. Wait, what does Coda say? It's bussin'. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. And I hope you make it. And if you make it, let us know how you like it.
Oh, I didn't know I was